In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and connect apps to ActiveCampaign. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. ActiveCampaign is a powerful tool for managing your email marketing, but its functionality really shines when you connect it with other apps. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the App Marketplace. On your ActiveCampaign dashboard, look at the navigation menu on the left. You'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the App Marketplace, where you can explore a variety of integrations designed to enhance your experience. Now that you're in the marketplace, it's time to find your app. You can either browse through the available options or make things quicker by using the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in the name of the specific integration you're looking for, whether it's a payment gateway, an e-commerce platform, or a landing page builder. Take your time to find the best match for your needs. Once you've located the app you want to connect, click on it to view its details. Here, you'll see a lot of information about what the app can do and how it can benefit your ActiveCampaign setup. Now, let's make the connection. Look for the blue Connect Account button, which is usually located in the Details section of the app. Go ahead and click that button. A pop-up window will appear asking you for your login credentials or an API key for that specific service. This is an important step as it allows ActiveCampaign to securely connect with the app and access the necessary data. Follow the on-screen prompts closely. Depending on the integration, you may have to log into your account for that app or input an API key if required. Once you've completed the authorization process, congratulations! Your app is now fully connected and ready to be utilized within your ActiveCampaign automations. This means that you can streamline your processes and make your marketing efforts even more effective by integrating tools you already use. Remember, connecting apps can greatly enhance the capabilities of ActiveCampaign, allowing for more personalized customer experiences and automating tasks that would otherwise take up valuable time. So, take a moment to explore what integrations can do for your business. Whether you want to set up automated emails based on customer purchases or track specific metrics across platforms, connecting the right apps can significantly improve your efficiency. To recap, we covered how to open the App Marketplace from your dashboard, search for the desired app, connect your account, and authorize the integration. It's a simple process, but one that opens up a world of possibilities for your email marketing strategy. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful videos. Connecting applications to ActiveCampaign can make a huge difference in how you manage your marketing efforts, so don't hesitate to explore those options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.